Don't forget to have fun for me, man. Happy birthday, kid. Love you.
I've got something they want, but it's mine again.
Hey, what's happening, man? Hey, listen, man, you enjoy your day. Happy birthday, bro. Happy 7th, okay? I'm up early, got to go to work, but had to take this time out just to say I love you. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your friends, family. And today's your day to do whatever it is that you want to do. So turn up, all right? I love you, man. Pops love you.
Hey Doodle, wanting to wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your friends and your family that's coming to celebrate you this weekend. It's going to be amazing. You can exemplify all of your sonic boom moves, your sonic, who else you do? Pokemon, I don't know much about Pokemon, but you know what to do. You're the expert at it. So just have fun. Yaya, I love you. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Terry. How old are you? Happy birthday.
I can never fail.
Doodle noodle. Happy birthday, my guy. Well, belated birthday. I mean, we know you're a Valentine's Day baby, but I'm glad you got to celebrate this weekend. I'm super proud of you, of the young man you're becoming. You're very wise beyond your years. You know, keep living, keep doing you. Stay true to yourself. And happy belated birthday, my guy. Auntie love you.
What's up, Terry? Me and Boo Boo want to say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Terry.
Yeah. There you go. Hope you have a good day, Terry. Happy birthday, my boy.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Gamer versus gamer.